Are you trying to make passive income on Amazon KDP, but you are tired of spending weeks writing and formatting books that never sell? What if an artificial intelligence could do the whole thing for you in under 6 minutes? Welcome back to App Verdict. Today, we are looking at Royalty Profits AI Volume 2.0. My quick verdict: if you want to mass produce Amazon books without typing a single word, this is the best tool on the market right now. But there is a small catch you need to know about before you buy, which I will reveal in a minute. Also, I have put together a massive custom bonus bundle for you, but it is strictly limited to the first 25 buyers through the link in the description. So what exactly is Royalty Profits AI Volume 2? It's a cloud-based software that completely automates Amazon Kindle publishing. It's built for beginners, affiliate marketers, and anyone who wants a slice of the KDP pie but has zero writing or design skills. It solves the biggest problem in publishing today. You do not need to outline, write, design a cover, or struggle with formatting. The AI handles all of it and spits out a ready-to-upload file.
Okay, so we're inside our software and we're about to create a book. We're going to come and create a campaign, and we're going to choose one of these options that we have here. So I'm going to go ahead and create an instant book, and I'm going to do a 20 to 40 page book for now. And I'm going to use this as an example of maybe even writing about Royalty Profits AI. So I'm just going to name it Royalty Profits AI as a topic. And the book title is How to Automate Your Amazon KDP Publishing book creation. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is click on this, and this will give me just from the topic that I'm giving it. For the instant book option is for me to generate a new title and a subtitle that I can use so it's unique. So this is our built-in AI that's going to help me actually get that information as well. It's giving me two options, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. And this fills in all the information that I need. And then the next purpose that I need to do is basically come to the targeted audience and choose which targeted audience that I want from the options that we're giving you right here. So for example, I'm doing business professionals. I want this to be maybe something for a self-help, or it could be an educational book. And in the tone that I would like to maybe give it some my educational tone. All right. So depending on the tones and the book purpose, you create a unique book that sounds natural. And then here we can put some information about the author's name, which you can put your name or whatever you're working with. And here I can add a link of maybe somewhere where I have my information about my author, right? For example, I'm giving a link of my Amazon's author bio area, and this will create a nice little bio for me automatically. I'm also going to be adding an image that I've uploaded, and all the images that you're seeing here are images from the books that I've created, or the images used in the books that is inside your members area in your image area. The beautiful difference that we have in our book creator is the fact that everything is automated. You click a button and you get your keywords set up so you don't need to research that, EPUB descriptions. We put a price to this book so we can sell it, and we can also get automatically, our AI will give you the categories that are needed in order for you to push your book into KDP through the categories that our AI is giving you, so you are saving yourself a lot of time. Once that's done, we're ready to go. The affiliate marketing links are a part of an upgrade that we have, that you can add your affiliate links, and in your affiliate links, you can add a keyword or a phrase where this will actually put it inside the content depending on what you're using here. So I'm going to go and click on next. The next part is basically to add any images that you'd like. We're giving you 3 types of illustrations that you can use. I'm going to do realistic. We can add it in either in a random location. So when it's talking into a chapter, you can add an image, or in the beginning of a chapter. It's up to you. It depends on how many images you want to use as well. And then you can also include your title, author, some context if you'd like. and then we can choose one of the 3 training models that we have, the AI models that we have. We include Nano Banana, GPT, and Open DALL-E. Well, I'm going to be using GPT-1 for this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a template that you can actually create your templates, or you can actually use one of the templates that we have built in. And then from here, you can also make it maybe even better, and you can check out all the details that how it's going to look when it's creating the book. And that's it. Now, once I've started this, I'm going to go ahead and click on a stopwatch so you can see how long it will take for a 20 to 40 page book to be created using our software, which is probably the fastest software creator for ebooks that's in the market. So right now it's planning my book, and I'll come back in a few minutes when it's done. Okay, so the book is done, and we are at 2 minutes and 55 seconds in creating a book. Okay, so coming back in here, we have the book, and we can come in. We can edit the chapters if we'd like. We can check everything out. We can check out the preview. We got a beautiful cover creator that allows you to create beautiful images and covers. And then we have the information about the book, and then it's like more of an educational book, like I said. So it's giving information on how this all works, steps, techniques, step 1, step 2, how to set things up, the market trends, etc. It's going through the book. And the beautiful thing about our book creator is also that it provides users with backlinks also to specific articles that it finds that it uses the content to create, and it incorporates it inside the book as well as links. Not all, depends on the book cover that you create. So once this is done, we are basically done. We're going to be able to download the PDF, to download the EPUB, download the cover, whatever you need to do. Now, one special feature that is not available in the front end, it's part of the upgrade that I like to show off, is basically the fact that you can actually publish from inside our software to KDP platform without you going in and entering your keywords or your descriptions or the pricing or the covers or the manuscript, nothing. You just click and this actually does it for you. That's done. All I have to do is just basically come into my account and just refresh into my bookshelf, and it's right here. Next step is just for me to go ahead and just publish it, and just to check everything. Everything is basically created for me. This is part of an upgrade, the automation part. Everything else is ready for you to go with your actual software that you have to download the PDF or the EPUB to upload it, following my strategies and the training inside. So basically, this book, I'm going to put a little price that everything is ready. I'm going to choose my 70% royalties, and I'm done.
Let's jump into the dashboard. As you can see on the screen, the interface is super clean. Volume 2 has a brand new campaign dashboard where you can track everything. Step 1, you pick from over 25 book types: fiction, nonfiction, kids books, you name it. Step 2, you type in your niche or keyword. Step 3, the AI engine takes over. It builds your chapter outline, writes the actual content, generates a professional cover, and even writes your author bio and book description. Finally, you just click export. It gives you a perfectly formatted PDF or EPUB file. You just take that file and upload it straight to Amazon. Now, remember that catch I mentioned? You do need to plug in your own OpenAI API key for this to work. But don't worry, it only costs a few cents per book, so it's practically nothing. It's actually better this way because you have total control.
Story time. In 2024, on August of 2024, I was at my vacation with my wife, and I was playing around with AI, and I thought of an idea to create a book using AI and publish it on Amazon KDP. And then while I was publishing the book that I created, it took me about maybe 40 minutes where I was able to generate this book where I put it on Amazon. And then the next day I woke up to my first royalties from creating that book and selling it on Amazon KDP. But I used a specific strategy that I thought about during the time when I was setting up the book in Amazon KDP. Now, let's fast forward today. This is 2026. It's August again. And right before I'm heading out for my vacation, I decided to use my software to create me books that I'm going to be using on Amazon KDP, where people are going to be reading and people are going to be buying. And it turns out the strategy that I used back then works today. Now, why am I telling you this? Well, you're on the sales page because I created a software that automates the whole process on how I was able to generate a book using AI manually. That took me 40 minutes, 30 minutes to create. Now you're able to create these books in less than 6 minutes. But your first book is going to be ready, uploaded, and with everything inside based on any keyword or URL that you have, another video, a topic, anything, our type of niche and category that is already covered in Amazon KDP and other publishing places online. Now, what I have for you here today is an upgrade of our last year's version of Royalty Profits Volume 1. This year with Royalty Volume 2, we're offering a couple of features that are very important in your book creation. Now, this year, we've added the ability to create characters and create them into worlds that you can put into your books. And not only that, we've also made it easy for you to translate these books in various different languages so you can target the most top countries that are online. Also, in my training, there is the strategy where you're going to be able to generate your first royalties on the next very day of you publishing your book. I have a strategy that will make you sales overnight, and for the next 5 days, you're going to be seeing royalties come in after people start reading your books and after people start buying your book. Now, I wanted to show you a quick demo on how this works and how you're going to be creating your first book in the next few minutes once you're inside Royalty Profits Volume 2. So follow me and let's check it out real quick. And in this part, this is what you're going to be seeing, okay? It's very easy to set up, very quickly to do. So you can choose an option of doing a short report, lead magnet, URL to ebook, or video to ebook. Okay. So the book topic, you're gonna have to find a book topic that you'd like to do. So let's say we want to do something in Padel, and I'll name it Mastering Padel as a newbie. Now you also have the ability to create a character or create a world, where we'll leave out for now because that'll be a different video. We just want to create a book about this. Who do we want to target? So we want people who are in hobbying as Padel as a game, okay? So this is going to be more of, let's see, I'm going to see what I can choose based on this. Training on how to become a Padel player. So this would be more of an authoritative figure. So this is my author, okay? And then you're going to have to put your keywords, the description, and the book price. And this fills in, click on that. And let's include images and maybe one at the end of each chapter. Let's do photorealistic 5 and include my name and author and choose the GPT that you want to use and then choose the template of the book that you'd like to create. It's all really easy to do. Just choose so you can see what it looks like and then create campaign. So here's my book. It's finished and it's ready to go. Now, before I continue, the cool thing is that I can take this and actually create another language. Let's do a Spanish. Padel is huge in Spain, so maybe take advantage of the Spanish market or newbies over there. So right now, it's starting another book in Spanish real quick because I told it to go out and translate this. So basically, I can come into my preview and I have my cover, beautiful cover, my author name, and then it gives you all the information. And there'll be images in there as well. Here's some images, realistic images. Look at this, measure, how cool is that? That's photorealistic images that have been created for my book. And then it keeps on going down, written in a beautiful styling and everything. Look at this, the transition zone. It talks about it. It's matching everything that it needs to. I haven't done much, but just put in my idea of something. I'm not overthinking it. I'm not overcomplicating it at all. I'm just doing what I need to do to put content out that makes sense. Right now, this is showing me that it's a very good book that I can take advantage of and put it online, and I'm pretty sure people are going to like it, okay? Download this PDF, download my EPUB, download my cover, and ready to upload on my KDP Amazon. So you see, it's that simple to actually generate a book and put it online. Now, your chance is to actually get inside right now at the lowest price because we are bringing the prices up and you can see everything that you're getting inside this sales page. My name is Demetrius and I'm going to be your coach and mentor inside Royalty Profits AI. I'm going to guide you. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be doing and how you're going to be generating your first royalties using our software. Thank you so much for being here. Make sure you scroll down and understand that we're here for you. And I do all the customer support. So I'm going to be talking to you personally once you're inside Royalty Profits AI. And if you have any type of issues, you're going to be able to contact me at any point in time. Thank you so much. On behalf of my partner, Alex Krulig, and myself, we welcome you to the Royalty Profits AI family for 2026. Thank you, and talk to you in.
Now let's talk about the upgrades. The front end is just $27 for the basic license or $37 for the commercial license. Always get the commercial so you can sell books to clients and keep all the profits. OTO 1 is the professional suite for $47. This is a must-buy. It gives you the Book Factory feature for batch-generating books plus a one-click Publish to Amazon button. OTO 2 is the research module for $37. It has 11 tools to find hidden, highly profitable niches with low competition. OTO 3 is the reader magnet system for $37. This builds your email list using AI bonuses and QR codes inside your books. Highly recommended if you want to build a long-term business. OTO 4 is eBook Genius for $27, which turns your books into audiobooks and video books. OTO 5 is a massive done-for-you package starting at $97, where they do all the heavy lifting for you. To make this an absolute no-brainer, I have put together 10 exclusive bonuses that you will only get if you click the link in my description. These are hand-picked to get you more traffic and sales. Bonus 1 is Amazon Plug, a tool to easily embed Amazon products and your books directly onto your websites. Bonus 2 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find the most profitable KDP niches before you even create a book. Bonus 3 is Traffic Secrets Unleashed. Learn how to drive laser-targeted buyers to your books for pennies. Bonus 4 is Lead Book Generator. Automatically build your email list by integrating with Facebook ads. Bonus 5 is Article Analyzer. Optimize your book descriptions to rank higher on Google and Amazon search. Bonus 6 is WP Checkout Maximizer. Skyrocket your conversion rates when people land on your review pages. Bonus 7 is Social Media Viral Content Builder. Lock your content so people have to share it, driving massive free traffic to your book links. Bonus 8 is Affiliate Sales Engine. Easily create promotional posts to sell your books on any website or forum. Bonus 9 is Surefire Profit System. Learn how to automate your entire digital publishing business. Bonus 10 is 100 e-course publishing tips. Learn how to turn your KDP books into high-ticket video courses. Royalty Profits AI Volume 2 is a game changer for passive income. The August 2026 results from the creators prove this system is printing royalties right now. But listen closely, my exclusive 10-part bonus package is strictly limited to the first 25 people who buy through my link. Once those spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonuses down for good. Click the first link in the description below right now to lock in your copy of Royalty Profits AI and secure all 10 of my custom bonuses. After you purchase, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Just click the blue Access Affiliate Bonus button. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.